Now, I know it has been a very long time since I've done a video on this channel, but this one I couldn't pass up doing a review of this cake that, upon first inspection, honestly it looks like it's got top ramen on the top. This is a Danish Drømmekage, dream cake is what it translates to. So I was online looking at some of my ancestry. I have DNA that goes into Denmark, and I was looking up cuisine, and this came up, and I can't believe I've never ever heard of this cake. The top is coconut, and when you're making it, you might think, oh, it tastes like, you might imagine it tastes like German chocolate cake, that kind of coconutty feeling, but it's nothing like it. There is nothing like this cake that I've ever eaten. I'm over 40 years old, and I love food. So I'll put the recipe link in the description below. This cake is so amazing. It's so humble looking. It doesn't need anything really. It's actually quite moist. If I was going to do anything, I would use maybe some whipped cream. Some light whipped cream. Doesn't really need it. This is from the edge, so it made the coconut. You can hear that. It's got a nice crispy, crunchy chew. It's so amazing. We used actual brown sugar and coconut sugar. It's a very simple recipe, but this is an amazing cake. You get the top layer that's kind of tough, and then the bottom is moist and very soft. Danish dream cake. Enjoy some today. Like I said, link in the description below if you want more videos like this. We do some actual cooking videos along with review videos, commentaries on different products. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to enjoy this dream cake. I'll stick on my fork. Ciao.